Hey, what's up everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a mouse mover for less than $2. All you need is one of those dancing solar figures from the dollar store and some post-it notes. So go ahead and tear the post-it note into a strip that's about half an inch wide. Stick the strip to the figure and slightly bend the opposite end. Move the corner of the strip close to the mouse's sensor. Now keep in mind that the sensor and light are two separate parts. You're going to want to make sure that it's close to the sensor, which is actually towards the top. Now this part can be a little tricky, but after a few seconds you should see your mouse pointer moving. This is perfect if your computer is next to a window and you get plenty of sunlight. However, if that's not the case, you can also power up the figure with a lamp. What you could also do is replace the solar panel with a small battery. Just open the bottom base of the figure and snip off the wires from the solar panel, but keep note of their polarity. Connect the wires to the battery using solder or electrical tape. Close it back up and readjust the post-it note on the mouse. And that's how you make a mouse mover for less than $2. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.